Hello out there, my name is Olutola. Welcome to my channel. In this video lesson I'll be working on a topic, angle of elevation and depression, and I'm going to be working on an example problem that has to do with angle of depression. The question goes: from the top of a tower 80 meters high, two boats are seen in a direction due south. The angles of depression of the boats from the top of the tower are 45 degrees and 30 degrees. Find the distance between the two boats. So the first thing I'm going to do here is to have my sketch. I'm going to draw an horizontal leveled ground. And I'll put this here. This will represent my my tower. So this will be the top of my tower, and from this point I have an horizontal leveled height from the top of the tower. Now the question says the tower is 80 meters high, so I have here 80 meters. Then I'll call this point, I'll call it G. Then the question says the boats are due south of the tower. So I'm going to put the first boat here, boat 1. I can call this point A. Then I can put the boat 2 here, boat 2. So I call this point B, and from here down to this boat 1, the question says the angle of depression is 45 degrees. 45 degrees from this point to this point. Then the angle of depression for the other boat, the question says, is 30 degrees. So there is this theorem, or this trigonometric rule that deals with angle, which says alternate angles are equal. Alternate now it means an angle that is formed within two angles formed within the corners of a Z are equal. So if this is 20, for instance, this corner will also be 20, and it also means that if I invert the X this way, if this is 30 degrees, this corner also will be 30 degrees. So bringing that into this into the question here, I'm going to have here, which is angle 45, to be equals to 45 here, also 45 degrees. Then here also, which is 30, because I can see the Z going straight down this way, I can have this also to be 30 degrees. So that's the sketch, and the question says I should find the distance between the two boats. The distance between the two boats is AB. This is the first boat, this is the second boat. So to get the distance AB, all I need to do is to get GB. GB is from this point down to this point. When I get GB, I subtract it from GA. GA is from this point right down to this point. That will give me my AB, which is the distance between the two boats. So going from this page now, I have replicated the triangles. I've brought out the two triangles here such that I will be able to find GB minus GA, which will give me AB, which is the distance between the two boats. So first I need to identify the sides of the triangles. This side is facing the angle, so this comes to be my opposite, and here will be my adjacent. And then this is always constant, which is the hypotenuse. Then here I have the opposite, I have the hypotenuse also, then I have the adjacent, this side. Now to get GA, I will need to employ what we call SOHCAHTOA. This is just an acronym to remember the three most important trigonometric ratio: sine, S for sine, C for cos, and T for tan. Sine, cosine, and tangent. And sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, then tangent is opposite over adjacent. To get GA, I'll need to use tangent, because tangent relates opposite to adjacent, and I have the opposite to be 80 and the adjacent is unknown. So I will use in this triangle, in triangle TGA, it's a right angle triangle, so I can use SOHCAHTOA. I have tan 45 degrees equals to tan 45 degrees equals to opposite side is 80 over the adjacent side, which is GA. Now when I use my calculator, tan 45 will give me 1, tan 45 will give me 1, and I will have 80 over GA. When I multiply this by this, I will have my GA to be 80 meters. So that is for GA. Here comes GB. In triangle TGB, my opposite relates to adjacent, so I'm still using tan. That's tan 30 degrees equals to 80 over GB. Now I will use my calculator yet again to find tan 30 degrees, and I'm going to take the short form of it. The short form of it is 1 over root 3. 1 over root 3 equals to 80 over GB. So when I cross multiply, I will have my GB to be equals to 80 root 3 meters. So I am almost there now. All I need to get now is my answer, which is AB. So AB now will be GB minus GA. GB is 80 root 3 minus 80 meters. Now I will factorize. Since 80 is common to both sides, I will have my AB to be equals to 80 into bracket root 3 minus 1 meters. So the distance between the two boats, distance between the two boats is 80 into bracket root 3 minus 1. Thank you for watching. Please, I would like you to subscribe to the channel and watch out for the next video. Thank you for watching.